everyone, I'm Nakshatra. Today I'm going to perform an activity based on sound. The aim of this activity is how sound is produced. The materials required are 6 to 8 bowls or tumbler, water and a wooden stick. The procedure of this activity is first take 6 to 8 bowls and fill it with water, and after filling it we should beat it with the stick. Now we can follow this procedure. Now I have took 5 bowls and I have took a pin to hit it. Now we want to fill water to these 5 bowls, not in a correct amount. We should fill in a estimated amount. We should not fill it equally. One should be less and one should be more. In that way we should fill it. Okay, now I have filled everything with an estimated amount. Now we can beat it with this so that we can have a different sound. We can hear different sound in this. I have tried first with the sketch pen. Now I am going to use this spoon and I am going to do this. We can observe that the sound produced with this sketch and this spoon differs. The observation of this activity is we can hear a pleasant sound by beating this with these objects. This is called as a Jal Tarang. It is a melodious sound. The conclusion of this activity is as the length of air column in the tumbler decreases, the pitch of the vibrating air column increases and the sound becomes shriller. Thank you. Have a nice day.